Hey everyone, want to try a new makeup look without actually applying it? With Meta Edits AI, you can test different style instantly. Let's get started. First, to apply makeup style in photos, all you do is to launch a Meta AI app on your device. Then here on the left side of the screen, tap the plus icon to start and select a photo library and upload a photo that you want to edit. And here in the prompt box, describe your desired makeup style, like this example prompt here. Then, after done typing your prompt, wait a few seconds for the Meta Edits AI to apply the style. And here, you can now review, check the result, and if you like it, you can save and share your new look. And that's it. With Meta AI, you can explore endless makeup possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.